Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your BNB from KuCoin to Trust Wallet. And once you've opened up your KuCoin, please make sure you have an account, else you're not going to be able to go through with any of the transactions. And if you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to gain 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses and gifts when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is quite simple. Head over to the assets menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once there, you're dropped at the overview where you scroll from your funding wallet to your trading wallet. Now, depending on the wallet you own, your crypto is stored on any of the wallets I've mentioned. Simply select the BNB, select the withdraw option, and you're given an option to withdraw either on the on-chain withdrawal method or the internal withdrawal method. Now, for the on-chain withdrawal method, all you need to do is simply paste in your wallet address on the network, and we can get all those details from our Trust Wallet. If you can't find your BNB, that's the Smart Chain BNB, use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen to search for BNB and select the Smart Chain BNB. Select the receive option, copy the address, minimize, open up your KuCoin, paste the address there, select the network, which would be automatically, and simply enter the amount you wish to send, and simply send the withdraw option or select the withdrawal option. By doing this, you can simply withdraw your BNB from KuCoin to your Trust Wallet, where you can easily confirm this transaction by reloading. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.